Hi, we've got all the wood in and we've stacked it up. I'm going to be making up beams using some 200 by 80 mil pieces of wood. They're 4 meters long, but I've got to go across a span of 7 meters. So what I'm going to actually do is put two of them together. The wood that I've got from the builder's yard isn't perfectly flat. It's not perfectly straight either. So before I do that, what I'm going to do is plane it all up. I've got a thickness of planer, and so at least the two sides that meet will be perfectly flat, and then I can glue it and bolt them together, and then we can cross that 7 meter span. It's more than thick enough. It's the tolerances are fine, so I'm not worried about that at all. And then the slightly thinner joists will then go into that. We'll have one beam in the middle and then one at the end, and the joists at the end are going to go into the wall. So we're going to make a start. Right, that's one through. Let's see if that will go. Might need a bit of encouragement. That's it. Through these. Right, so here's my beam. Seven meters long and really heavy. Get underneath it and drag it a bit. That way. I reckon I can then come round. Right, I've managed to attach the pulley from a beam up here. Let's see if you can see that. That's it there. So, that is higher than the beam on which I need to pull my new beam. So hopefully I will be able to get on the end of this new beam, winch it up, and that should get the end over here. That's the theory. Will it work? Who knows? Let's try. What's the worst that could happen? Good. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Yep. Ooh.
Right. Here we are next morning. It's Saturday and it's actually our anniversary. We've been down to Memac, had a nice coffee and a croissant. And now we're back and I'm going to reset this beam into the wall today. What better way to spend an anniversary? We are going to have a nice meal later. Here we go. And we'll just butt it up against there. That's it. And down we go. Right, here we go. Okay. We are now above that rock. This little fella can come out. And by little, I mean not that little. Just clear of the debris. Right, I'm in there, that's good. Right, now that should go down. And there we are, like a glove. Wow, those guys knew what they were doing 200 years ago. Flat, we are true. Beautiful.
Wow. Very good.
Right, get the spirit level up there, see how true it is.
Really?
Yeah, it's really pretty level,
Okay.
considering. Hang on, let me get your spirit.
I mean, it looks level.
It does to the eye.
It does.
Check with the bubble.
Okay. That. Right. Check with the bubble. Blimey.
I know. Well, that's down to the people 200 years ago that put in those bits of wood into the wall on which it sits.
That's spot on.
Cool, huh?
That is spot on. Wow.
I know.
I'm really impressed.
So I'm going to fill in now. Put the stone back with a bit of lime mortar.
Yeah.
So it's all locked in and the wall doesn't fall down.
That would be nice.
It would be all right, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
If the wall didn't fall down. I think it would be optimal. Right.
It's bare minimum requirement.
Well,
Right, I'm going to walk around the lake with the dogs and Oscar now.
lovely. I thought you were going to shake my hand.
No?
Nice.
But well done. Good,
Thank you.
good job, sir.
17
Right.
years of marriage.
Yeah. Yeah, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
We haven't killed each other yet.
No.
Although you might kill yourself today. I
This
suspect.
is a
But,
very high
you know,
chance.
at least we know where we can bury you without anybody finding you. So
But perfect.
those rocks will come in useful.
As long as it's level, I don't mind.
Right. Bye.
See you later.